Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and welcome to Rahman Digital Production. Today's lecture is all about that application of linear equations in real world context. We did seven questions of exercise 5C in the previous lecture. Today we are going to start the question number 8. Let us understand the question, what the question is saying. The sum of half of a number. Ladies and gentlemen, the sum of half of a number. We don't know that what is the number. So let us take that number to be x. Let the number is x, and they are saying the sum of a half of a number, that number which we are supposing to be x, we will take half of that number. And they said sum sum of a number and 49, and 49 is equal to, they given us that it is 2 whole 1 over 4 of the number, 2 whole 1 over 4 of the number. We consider that as x, so we are taking, we can write this x divided by 2 minus 4 2s are 8, 9 divided by 9x divided by 4, and we are shifting this 49 to the other side. Now we have to take the 4 as LCM. So when we divide this 4 by 2, it will give you 2, and we will multiply that 2 with the x. And then we are having 4 4s are 4 1, and then that is 9x is equal to minus 49. This will give you minus 7x divided by 4 is equal to minus 49. Directly I am cutting this minus with this minus, because we are finding the value of x, so we have to shift this 7 over 4 to the other side. If, as I told you, if you remember that when there is a multiplication on this side, it will be taken as a reciprocal on the other side. So x is equal to 4 over 7 multiplied by 49. 7 sevens are, and 28 is the value of x. Now we are turning our focus to question number 9, and that is saying that when a number is multiplied by 4, which number? That number is not known, so let us take it as x. Let the number is x. Now the question is saying that when a number is multiplied by 4 before subtracting it from 68, so we have to subtract the 4 time of that number from 68. The result obtained is the same as 3 times the sum of the number and 4. So we have to take, this will be 3 times x plus 4. The sum of the number with 4 and 3 times of that result will give you the same as it is on the left side. So 68 minus 4x is equal to 3x plus 12. Now we have to leave this minus 4x on this side and will bring that 3x to this side. It will become negative. 12 will be on its place and that will be minus 68. Now this will be minus 7x, and when we subtract, it will be 6 and 56 with the negative symbol. So we have to cancel this negative with this symbol, and we have to leave x on this side. So 56 divided by 7, and that will be equal to 7 8s are, so x is equal to 8. So we are getting this number is 8. Now let us do the question number 10, and question number 10 is saying a man is 6 times as old as his son. What is the age of the son? We don't know, so we have to take it as x. Question number 10, let the age of the sun is equal to x, and then we will go ahead according to the question. A man is 6 times, so it means the age of the man is equal to 6x, because they are saying that a man is 6 times as old as his son. 20 years later, so we have to add 20 to both sides, because they are saying 20 years later. So 6x plus 20 is equal to x plus 20. Now this is not the final, because there is another verdict. As old, twice as old as his son. Twice as old as his son. Then they are saying that find the age of the man when his son was born. Okay, so this is the equation. 6x plus 20 is equal to 2x plus 40. Now 6x minus 2x is equal to 40 minus 20. So it will be 4x is equal to 20. It means that x is equal to 5. Yes, dividing both sides by 5. So we found the age of the sun, and the question is asking that you have to find the age of the man when his son was born. So let us say the man was the age of the man is equal to 6x, and x we found to be 5 minus 5. We have to subtract this 5 from the age of the father. So it will be equal to 30 minus 5, which is equal to 25. Now that is the ultimate answer. Now question number 11 is giving you other concept about the linear equation. The question is saying a moon cake with two egg yolks costs two more than the moon cake with one egg yolk. 2 cents more than the one egg yolk. We don't know that what is one egg yolk. So we say that the moon cake with one egg yolk is equal to x, for example. And then they are saying the cost of a moon cake with two eggs yolk. The cost of a moon cake with two egg yolks is equal to 2 cents more. Yes, the question is saying that it is 2. So we have to say x plus $2. Uh, the cost of 6 moon cakes with two egg yolk. So we will have to take 6x plus, and the question is further saying with two egg and 5 moon cake and 5, so 6 into x plus 2, because we have taken 2 yolks with x plus, and then 5x is equal to, they given us in the question is the $130.80 $130.80. Now ladies and gentlemen, this is the expression, this is the equation we are dealing. So now let us, one thing more is there, that the question is saying find the cost of the, so first we have to open this 6x plus 12 plus 5x is equal to 130.80. Now 6x plus 5x is 11x. 130.80 minus 12. So when we subtract from 130 so it will be 118.80. Now dividing both sides by 11, x is equal to 118 divided by 11. So when we divide this 118 by 11, so it will give you 10.8. It will give you x is equal to 10.8, and the cost of a moon cake with two eggs yolk we have to find. So the cost of a moon cake with 2 egg yolks is equal to x plus 2, because we consider that here is x plus 2. So now we have to write the value of x, which we found 10.8 plus 2. So $12.8 is the cost of a mooncake with 2 uh, egg yolks. Okay, that is the ultimate answer. Now let us turn our focus to question number 12. And they are saying Junwei has 12 more 10-cent coins than a 20-cent coins. What is 20-cent coins? We have to take it as let the number of 20 cent, this is question number 12. Let the number of 20, let the number of 20-cent coin is equal to x. Then the question is saying that Junwei has 12 more 10-cent coins. The number of 10-cent coins, the number of 12 cents coins is equal to x plus 12, because the question is saying, I'm not writing it from my own side, and that is saying that more than has more 10-cent coins than 20 cent. The total value of all his coins is 5.40, which we have to convert in cents. So we have to write 10 x plus 12, and then we are having 20x plus 20x is equal to 540. They given us 5.40, but that is in dollar, and we have to convert it into cents. So $5.40 is equal to 540 cents. Now we have to open it. Plus 120 plus 20x is equal to 540. 10x and 20x is equal to 30x is equal to 540 minus 120. And the ultimate value is x is equal to 14. This implies that x is equal to 14, but this is not the ultimate answer. So Junwei has 14 plus 14 plus 2 for 14 plus 12, 14 plus 12. So 14 and 14 plus 12, 26 plus 14, which is equal to 40. So it means that Junwei has 40 more coins than the uh, 10 cents. Ladies and gentlemen, let me erase the board, then I will come back. Okay, let us start the 13 number question. Katie cycles the first 350 kilometer of a 470 kilometer journey at a certain average speed, and the remaining distance at an average speed that is 15 kilometer per hour. There are two parts, so let us take the first part of journey is let the first part is equal to x kilometer per hour. Then the second part is equal to x minus 15 kilometer per hour, because it is given in the question that average speed that is 15 kilometer less than that for the first part of the journey. If the time taken for her travel to each part of the journey is the same, find the average speed. So let us first assume that time taken for the first part, time taken for the first part is equal to 350 divided by x. 350 divided by x hours. Time taken for the second part is equal to x 470 minus 350. 470 minus 350 divided by x minus 15. X minus 15 hours. They are saying that if both are the same, then find the average speed for the second part. If both are the same, so we have to take these two. 350 divided by x is equal to 470 minus 350 divided by x minus 15. From these two sides, we have to find the value of x. So first I am writing 350 divided by x, and when we subtract this 350, so it will be 120 divided by x minus 15. Now from cross multiplication, 350 into x minus 15 and 120 into x. So 350x minus 5250 is equal to 120x. Now we have to bring 120 to this side and will shift the constant 5250 to the other side. When we subtract this, so it will be 0, 3 and 2. 230x is equal to 5250. So x is equal to 5250 divided by 230. This 0 will be cancelled with this one. So when we multiply this 22 whole 19 over 23, 22 whole 19 over 23 will be the value of x. But ladies and gentlemen, this is not the final answer. We have to find the second part of the journey. So second part of the journey was that it was x minus 15. So the second part, the time taken for second part of journey is equal to x minus 15 kilometer per hour. So we found the value of this 22 whole 19 over 23 minus 15, and I calculated it in advance, and they are given 7 whole 19 over 23 kilometer per hour. That is the ultimate answer. Now we are turning our focus to question number 14, which is the final question of basic level. There is one advanced level as well. So let us first understand the question. And remember, ladies and gentlemen, this sort of the question is always coming in the paper, this sort of question. So please do understand it. And the question is saying the numerator of a fraction is 5 less than its denominator. Ladies and gentlemen, we don't know the denominator, so I am saying let the denominator is equal to x, then the numerator is equal to x minus 5, because it is saying 5 less than its denominator. If 1 is added to the numerator and denominator, so numerator x minus 5 plus 1 and denominator is x plus 1, because we added 1 to both numerator and denominator, and they are saying that then the new fraction is 2 over 3. So the new fraction will be 2 over 3, and they are saying find the fraction. So we are writing x minus 4 divided by x plus 1 is equal to 2 over 3. Now cross multiplication will give you 3 into x minus 4, 2x plus 1. So this is 3x minus 12 is equal to 2x plus 2. So x is equal to 14. Now x is equal to 14 is, and we have to find the fraction. So the fraction will be 14 minus 14. The new fraction will be, see, the numerator is x minus 5 divided by x. So we have to put the value of this 14 minus 5 divided by 14, which is equal to 9 divided by 14, and that is the new fraction. That is the ultimate answer of the uh, question. Let us now do question number 15, which is the final question. So let us do it here as well. Okay, let us first understand the question. The two-digit positive number is such that the ones digit is 2.5 times as much as the 10 digit. Ladies and gentlemen, we are having a number and we don't know. This is a two digits number. This is the place of ones and this is the place of tens. We don't know what is the number, but they are saying a two-digit positive number is such that the ones digit is 2.5 times as much as the 10 digit. We don't know the 10 digit. Let the digit at tens place is equal to x. Then the digit at ones place will be equal to 2.5x. For example, we are saying that this is x and this is 2.5x. They given us this scenarios. Then they are saying first we have to see that the number is, therefore the number is at x, it is x plus 2.5x. The number is x plus 2.5x, but this will be tens place. So we have to write 10x plus 2.5x, and that will give us, because this is 10 place, this is unit place, this is 10, so we have to multiply that place with the tens. So this is 10x plus, so will be equal to 12.5x. Now the question further is saying that if the difference between the number and the number of 10 with the digits are reversed, when these digits are then reversed, this will go to the 10 place and this will go to the 1 place, and we have to find the difference. Yes, it is given that the we are saying when the number is reversed, when the number is reversed, then we have to find the difference. When the number is reversed, so 10 into 2.5x minus, because they are telling us that we have to the difference, so we have to find the difference, but before we have to add this. So it means that 25x, we change the position, 25x plus x, which is equal to 26x. Now we will find the difference. When the number was originally there, this was the situation. When the numbers are reversed, then this is the situation. Now we have to find the number before reversing it, and after the reversing it we will find the difference. So now we have to find 26x 6x minus 12.5x is equal to, they given us that the value will be equal to our reverse is 27. So it means that it is 27, and this is the whole scenario. We have to find the value of x. So when we multiply this 12.5, so it will be 13.5 is equal to, this is x, and 27. This implies that x is equal to 27 divided by 13.5, and I calculated it, that will be equal to 2. So we have found the value of x. Now we have to find the number. So I am writing this is here because we don't have the place there. So the number is equal to 2 into x. 2.5, 12.5 into 2. 12.5 into 2. 12.5 into this x. And when we multiply it, it will be equal to 25. So the two-digit number is 25. Now here we found that this is 2 and this is 5. So that's it for today. Hopefully you have learned. Do practice on it. Thank you very much for watching. Allah Hafiz.